Recently we announced the launch of InsurWave, which is EY's blockchain platform for marine insurers. And I do firmly believe EY has moved blockchain from a mind share to a market share, being the first platform to be actually operational in the insurance market. It's live. We've got real clients using the platform. So that's certainly one example where we have taken a technology, applied it to a business problem, made it real, and are actually helping clients to sort of transform their business models. The second one, as I mentioned previously, we are helping a lot of clients transform their business models by removing legacy, implementing modern platforms, but we're not sitting still. There are a number of clients where we're effectively, once they've created a modern backend platform, we're looking at how do we help them become data-driven, analytics-enabled organizations. So the rich data sets that they're collecting through the platforms, how do we actually embed analytics into those platforms and make them more predictive, improve the pace of decision making. So there are 2 or 3 clients which we're doing work for. I guess the parallel I can use is, if you look at investment banking in the 80s, once data became structured and digitized, how quickly the industry transformed into black box algorithms, into digital business models. The same thing is going to happen in insurance, and really sort of creating those the modern platforms is the start of the journey. So we're working with a lot of organizations, embedding analytics into those platforms. The other thing I probably want to mention is around the concept of what we call Insure Hub, which is basically an innovation platform that we're bringing together insurers, we're bringing together insurtechs with EY in the middle almost to take an idea and quickly, rapidly prototype and get it out into the customer's hands. The advantage that EY has is effectively we have that many-to-many relationships where we can bring a multitude of clients together with a multitude of insurtechs and quickly, rapidly innovate. And again, blockchain is a good example of that, where we brought together a number of industry players, technology players, and created initially an idea which is now a full-fledged business. So those are kind of two or three examples of how we are bringing cutting-edge technology to solve real business problems. I fundamentally believe the investment in technology is not going to stop because clients are increasingly effectively treating themselves as technology businesses. So I think the area where they invest might change, but I think the investment in technology is not going to stop. So if you kind of take that as a principle, then it's very important for us to stay on top, stay ahead, if you like, stay ahead of the game in terms of actually being able to anticipate industry issues and apply technology to business problems. So if I kind of look at the crystal ball, if you like, what in the sort of the short to medium term. I think there is still a huge amount of investment that's going to go into removing legacy platforms, implementing modern core platforms, and I see EY continuing that market leadership journey that we've established.